Carp solution. Talking about Asian Carp, here is one of them. This is the silver carp. I want to hold it to show you guys how big this fish can get. This is pretty much a 35-pounder right there, and it's savvy. But imagine this fish jumping up 12 feet out of the water and landing in your boat. It can definitely hurt you. And fatality has been recorded with the Asian carp, the silver carp, this one especially. This is a female right there, and we're going to explain to you guys why this fish is so dangerous and why they are taking over our waterways, especially in Louisiana, but waterways across the U.S., literally. So this is how we're going to open that, and you can see the eggs going to come out. It's not a pretty picture, but I want you to kind of see the size of those eggs. And the adult female with that side will spawn 2 to 3 times a year. We're talking about, here it is. We're talking about 2 to 3 million eggs. 2 to 3 million eggs per year. This is the egg sac of a female. All of these are eggs right here, as you can see. So, the problem? Yes, big problem. When those fish spawn, we're talking about incredible population, devastating fish because they eat plankton, the food source of of aquatic life in general. And we have a problem on our hand, that's for sure. So, we're going to show you guys how to prepare and cook this fish on the grill. Simple in that. Okay, the first thing we do is we're going to cut the head off on this fish, as you can see. Here we go. So we're going to put that head on the barbecue pit anyway. So now we have the trunk, and what we're going to do, we're going to butterfly the trunk. Now we got the head off. What we're going to do is we're going to butterfly the fillet by cutting the inside ribs on one side. Not easy things to do, but it worked. And you can see actually how beautiful the meat is. All right. Now what we have here is a butterfly fish. You can see how beautiful the flesh is right here. All right. Then I'm going to get my assistant sous chef David Rocheteau to come over here and help me out to put on the grill. We're going to season it first. Come on, sous chef.
Chef W.
So you use a little bit of Cajun seasoning of your choice. Season it well. And we're going to be ready to put this baby right here on a barbecue pit. And that can, I would say, it will feed 10 to 12 people. It really will. Okay, ready? All right. David, you think we're good?
Good.
Let's put the head in there. Right here in the corner. We'll have the whole fish.
A lot of meat in most here.
Taking over the waterways in Louisiana and nationwide.
Yeah.
And we know in Louisiana for one thing, it's food, right?
That's right.
So guys, what I want to do is to try this. It just came out of the barbecue pit, and you see how beautiful the piece of meat are there. So we remove the big bones out there, and we can give you guys some. All right. And then watch out, there's going to be some bones, but you see how big those bones are?
Yeah.
They're easy to remove, so you remove it yourself, okay?
That's the ribs.
All right, come on. You're going to see how good it is. I'm going to give you some more here. Here you go. Well, no, you can go, and guys, just look at the camera and look. You want a little bit on it?
Sure.
There you go. You want a little bit on it? Y'all get some lemon on it, all right?
Here's to the invasive species.
There you go, and then so look at the camera and then speak with your heart.
It's delicious.
We don't want no lies.
No, dude, I'm not
It's a
lying.
very
It's
good
so
fish.
good.
It's not.
Look at this. Hey, look at that big chunk. Look at this. All right, guys. So, you see how beautiful the white meat is? You want some more? A little bit? I want to give me some. That's going to be my dinner here.
Let's go.
There you go. This is what's left, okay, out of this fish. The proof is in the pudding, how good this fish is. Eat the problem.